In this tutorial, you are going to learn step by step on how to apply for a refund on Taobao, step by step tutorial. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm a procurement agent, importer, and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can ask for a refund or how you can get your money back on Taobao step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. So the first thing you have to do when you have successfully placed an order and you want to ask for a refund, the refund can come in different way. Maybe the supplier is out of stock, or you place order for a wrong product, or better still, maybe you have a wrong address and when you are trying to do your purchase. There are different ways by which you can ask for a refund, but in this video I'm going to show you one of the ways by which you can get your money back if there is any issue when you place order on Taobao. So first thing you have to do is to make sure you access your Taobao profile by clicking on here, right here. So when you click on here, it takes you straight up to your Taobao profile. So your successful purchase is going to be found right here. So I'm going to click on here. Then it takes you to the product purchase link. So next thing you need to do is to click on here, click on the product link. Boom. So it open up this way. All right. So for you to ask for a refund for this product right here. So this is where we need to click right here. For you to ask for a refund, you have to click on here. So it's going to open up this page. So the next thing you need to do is to click on here. So after you click on that, it takes you right here. Right here, you can see the refund has been done successful. So let me quickly translate this page right here. Refund has been done successful. So once the refund is done successful, next thing you need to do is to click on here. And by the time you refresh the page, you will see that the product will no longer be there. So by the time you go back to your profile or so, by the time you refresh, the product will no longer be here again. Okay, so for you to be sure that if this refund is actually succeed, what thing you need to do is to exit from the Taobao and then head over to your Alipay right here. I'm going to click on my Alipay right here. So you can see a notification for refund on my Alipay right here. So you can quickly click on here, and we see the details of the refund. So I can click on my notification button right here. So right here, you can see the refund right here credited into my Alipay account. So this means that the money has been successfully returned back to my Alipay account. And you can also go back to your balance and check your transaction history from your Alipay. You are doing all this just to be sure that the money was being refunded successful. But by the time I click on my balance, you will see the refund as a plus on my Alipay balance. So right here you can see the refund right here. So this is how you can get your money back from any supplier on Taobao step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this about importation from China and some other country. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.